Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm just gonna get right into it. Well, I got the Hyundai Santa Fe running. Yes, that's the rental car right there. And I have to admit, there's a couple things I like about it, as far as like the infotainment system and things like that, but other than that, it's soulless. It's not the Gen. It's not the crumpled up beer can sitting right here. So I just want to let you guys know the insurance adjuster just came, and basically he said the car's totaled. So they're working out some numbers and things like that. See how much they're going to give me, and they'll let me know in a couple days. As you can see, for you guys who aren't new, obviously, I went back to the stock wheels and things like that. I went back and took everything off. And made it stock again, literally everything. Obviously the exhaust and all the other fun stuff. And I'll show you guys the engine bay, you know, one last time. I know you guys are gonna miss her, but I'm already looking at other ones and things like that. So, you know, it's not gonna be that long, and Project Genesis is still gonna continue. It's just gonna be with a different car, unfortunately. So anyway, as you guys can see, I went completely back to stock and things like that. I didn't bolt everything up just because, sorry, it's hot out here. I didn't bolt everything up just because, you know, they're gonna take the car anyway. They're gonna come take the car in a few days. I meant to ask him if I was allowed to take anything off, because I really want to take the Brembos off just in case I can't find a Genesis Coupe that had the Brembos. If not, I'm gonna have to eBay that one, or if you guys have some, hit me up, let me know, and maybe we can make a deal. Obviously it depends on how much they give me for the car, but I wanted to do something for you guys too. I want to start the car up one last time. It's not as quiet as you. No.
Like Ike, share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree, comment like the meteor's crashing down on you, and ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J, okay?
See, told you, not as quiet as you think. Oh, you want it from the back one time? Okay, we'll get it to you from the back.
Nice.
Anyway, I just wanted to give you that, guys, that one last time. I mean, if you want to take a look at it one last time, unfortunately, it's that look right there, the look of that shit. That car basically saved my life. I don't care. I love this car, and I have to be quite honest with you. Sorry. Anyway, as sad as it is to see it go, there's one consolation, and it's kind of weird, and it's that I'm kind of glad that I'm the last one to actually like drive that car and enjoy that car. I know it sounds weird and a little, I don't know, crazy, but I mean, that was my car. Even though I was the second owner of that car, I'm the one who did everything to that car, and obviously have all the $10 to $15 or $20,000 worth of parts sitting in my garage right now, and probably, I want to say, maybe about 15 of that was waiting to go into the car. So obviously I'm going to get another Genesis Coupe. I already have a line on a couple. Let me know too, because there's one thing I saw. Somebody selling a Genesis Coupe it's a 2010. They have it as an R-Spec, which I'm not quite sure if they did the R-Spec in 2010. And it has Brembos and all that other stuff, but it was just curious because I don't remember them doing a 2 liter 2010 R-Spec. So let me know. But that's one of the cars I'm looking at. It's red, which is my favorite color actually. And then the other one I'm looking at is a non-R-Spec. It's silver. So, you know, but that one's a 2012 with 62,000 miles. The 2010, believe it or not, only has 44,000 miles. I mean, I'm kind of like, I don't know, because I don't think it has like Bluetooth and things like that, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna have to check it out, and I'll let you guys know. Hopefully by the next video I'll have another one, but we'll see. I'm actually going to work now. I gotta call the guy about the silver one. I'll call the guy about the other guy about the red one, and we'll see. I'll give you guys something, just little tidbits. Oh, the other thing too, it's interesting. So if you guys remember, I got all that water that drained into the taillights. I think I don't have to worry about that issue anymore. And the funny part about this thing is as smacked in as that back end is, the damn lights still work. That is hilarious. So I don't know, but I'm gonna head to work now. I'm gonna give that guy a call, one guy a call while I'm driving, because look at this. Look at this. I got like the infotainment system here. Yeah, I got, oh, oops. Hold on. Wait, what? Unlock. There we go. I got this infotainment system here. I can, you know, go through my call list and do that, and, you know, maps, everything. So this is actually kind of cool. I do have to admit, it's just not for me because I don't drive SUVs. I'm sorry. I mean, this guy, it's just, it's not me. It's no turbo, nothing. I have to like drive around going, pretend I have a turbo. It's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So, again, if you guys are new to the channel, check this out. And make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, like Aaron said. Keep coming back. You guys that have been here, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for asking me if I was okay, and, you know, you telling me how upset you're about how upset you are about the Genesis, you know, not being in the best state right now. Duct tape won't fix that shit. And, you know, just overall concern for the project in general. Like I said, I'm not quitting on this project. I'm just gonna have to get another one and continue the project. Obviously, I have all the parts. The only thing I had left to do was tune once I put everything in. So here we go. But anyway, come back. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And make no limitation your only limitation. Peace, Jenny. Peace.